This turned out to be a must for my setup. Kind of expensive, depending who you are. I think it's a bit overpriced, but it does exactly what I need because I need it to fluctuate between 20 and 60 volt, and this does it all. Bought it straight from BLUETTI, or however you want to say it. That's how I'm going to say it. The enhancer, going to make it so it charges at 500 watts, but it claims to still charge at 8.2 amps. So it seems like you could almost plug it into your cigarette lighter, depending on your vehicle. Came pretty quick, clear from California. And with this, I think I could charge the normal way through a cigarette lighter plus this. We'll go through this now. $200 is what I paid at the current moment. Endpoints, yeah, that's what I need right there. Input, 12 to 60 volt. And hopefully it automatically detects. I don't need no inverter or flip a switch, because I'm hooking up to different batteries. I don't want to have to check every single time. Output's 500 watts, and it's still claiming 8.2 amps, which is what the other one does. But the other one only charges at about 106 watts if you have 91 watts to 107 is what I was getting. For this price, kind of upset because if any of you bought the BLUETTI brand new, the accessories that this comes with, you already have. It's supposed to come with the solar cables and the car charger. Both of them you can get off eBay through BLUETTI for 10 bucks a piece. So 20 bucks right there. Why can't they throw in the cables, which you can also get on eBay for 10 bucks, or throw in some cables where you can, like back here, link it to the B230. Throw in something to make it worth 200 bucks. I don't think it's worth 200 bucks, but I need it, so I could make one, but it's just a pain in the butt getting everything to crimp right. Looks like this is your warranty card. I think it says only a year on it. A certificate saying that it passed. It is boxed nicely. It's a monster. Oh, is it really thicker than what I thought? Oh, it's super light compared to what I thought it was going to be. Nice little moisture pack. We'll get to the device afterwards. Here's the accessories it comes with. Again, you should already have these. I don't see why you'd be buying this first. But the solar ends. The bigger plug, I think that's the XT60. You get that, which you already have, and you get another one of these, which you already have. Another XT60 on there. Nice length. I've already melted this. Plug it into an outlet that handles way more than what this took. Charging at 100 watts, 8 amps. I have something that uses 11 amps and 250 watts, and it has no problem and never melted. But for some reason, the spring in the one that came with the BLUETTI melted. So not expecting much out of this. It is built really nice on the inside because I replaced it, and then the spring I replaced it with was just out of a pen to see if the thing still worked, and melted the side of this. And yeah, so now I got a proper spring in it, and it's melted it too. I don't know why it keeps melting it, and I do it in different outlets, but I'm at 11 amps, 250 watts with another device I plug into the same outlet, and it never melts. That in there, that in there, that in there. Now for the device. Definitely lighter than what I thought it would be. It's in a Ziploc bag. Compared to their charge brick, this thing's light. Feels like it could be a lot smaller. It's got nice little feet on the bottom versus what the other charger has that comes with it. The XT60 on the bottom. Doesn't say input voltage or anything. Almost looks like there's a fan right there, but there isn't. The fan is on this side. You see the fan blade right there? No fan on this side. So basically it's just equal push through. Looks like there's an indicator light. Looks like everything's gonna be bolted to this side, the tops. Top feels like if you laid something on it, it would eventually crack through. Non-replaceable cord, which kind of sucks. It'd be nice if it was a the cord like on the BLUETTI charger itself. Your warning: do not plug it in. Charger plug must be firmly inserted into the port. Little scratch right there. That's a deep scratch. Model number, what do we got on the bottom here? Input 12 to 60 DC, 10 amp input max. Output's going to be 16 to 58 volts at 8.2 amps. It's still saying storage environment, don't care about that, but the working temperature is negative 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. So basically what you'd be living in. Oh, cool. Red light means charging, green light means charge full or disconnected. Yeah. So, let's see if it has any type of click or anything. Does it just go in normal? Ooh, goes in there firm. Hopefully that's mounted nice in there, because it's in there good. Make sure it's just not that plug. No, it's how tight of a good fit it is. Definitely, hopefully that's mounted good. Hopefully not to the board, because if you do drop it and break it and it bends, you can replace these. They're just XT60s, so you can fix it if it ain't to the board. Which it does look like it separates and plugs in right there. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. Kind of like a computer. It's a remote plug, and the wires go to where it needs to go. Other than that, I like it. It doesn't weigh much at all. I figured it'd weigh more. Plenty of room in there for the fan to blow some nice air over it when it's getting hot. Let's go test it out. Thanks for watching.